I can grab her hair. We gotta come forward right there. How's it going, guys? Oh, I didn't know we started. All right, thanks for letting me know. Anyways, today I wanted to go over a couple things with you guys. Again, just having some fun. But today is the day that we actually go over money, right? So, like, if you're a business owner, you're a doctor, you got a small practice, you got a restaurant, maybe you have an HVAC company or something like that. You're a plumber, electrician. Like, your goal always, you can be a realtor, you can have a firm, a brokerage. Your goal is always revenue. So I talk about this all the time. Wealthy business owners focus on three different incomes, right? So if you guys know, like, my elbow kills me. So when I'm wearing a jacket, sometimes I have to push my sleeve forward. It hurts like hell. But they focus on their revenues and incomes. So right, we talk about that all the time. So the three incomes that they focus on, number one, they focus on their working income, which is their revenue of their business, driving revenue, pushing really hard, hiring more people, making more sales, more marketing, all that stuff. And the next thing they focus on is passive income. How do you do passive income? Well, you take some of the revenue from your company that you earned, you worked, your business did it, and then you roll that into a passive investment like real estate, something we do at Bell Capital. And then the next income that they focus on is equity. Now, you have two equities. One, you have, because you do it correctly, if you do it right. So you have your business revenue that you're driving up, which your revenue for your company should be constantly going up if you're focused on that working income driving your revenue. Then the money that you took to invest in a real, let's say a real estate deal, apartment building deal like the ones that we look at over at Bell Capital, that's going to give you your passive income, right? That passive income is going to come in. Now, within that passive income, the other piece, like we said, that as a wealthy business owner that you should be focusing on is your equity. So you have two equities though. Now you have equity in your company because let's say you drive your revenue up in your company, you get it to making $20 million dollars a year, $10 million dollars a year, whatever, $5 million dollars a year. And then you look at the value of your actual company. Like, you have staff, you have people, you have processes, you have policies that you've written up, all these things come into play. Now you have equity in your business that you can now either turn around and you can roll up, you can do buy more companies like yours. You can bolt on other companies like yours. Let's say you're in real estate and you want to buy a title company, a title and escrow company. You want to bolt that on. You want to buy an appraisal firm, or whatever, right? Like, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be in real estate. It could be a doctor's office where you have a doctor's office or a dental office where you have that, and then you buy a medical billing company and you actually have that as a part of your company as well as additional revenue. But you can use your equity from the one company because you force revenue on one, or you buy a bunch of other practices, and then you use your practice to buy others because you have what? Value in your company and equity. And then on top of that, now let's say you invested in a deal with Bell Capital. Let's say you invested $1 million with us. That $1 million buys you a $3 million position in a multifamily real estate deal. And let's say it pays you $1 million, pays you $5,000 a month, $60,000 a year, which is 5% on your money. Now you have passive income coming off of your million. Your million's worth a $300 million position in a piece of real estate that you didn't have to work for. So now you have, and so that 3 million position is equity. You have equity position in an apartment building, you have equity position in your own business, and now you have this passive income, and you also have your working income. Now, your real estate investment, because it's a real investment in Bell Capital and our real estate fund, that will also get you the tax write-off. So now you can write off what you made from the $1 million investment. You have your equity position in there, and depending on how you structured it or how you work with your accountant, your CPA, that will could also help you write off other additional revenues coming from your businesses, because you're going to need these. You're going to pass through. So this is the way wealthy business owners tend to play the game. Most poor business owners play one game. They focus on working income, revenue, and that's it. Or they'll be like, hey, we're going to do as much as we can, but we're going to go and get another active income. I have a buddy of mine. He's like, why have my other business? And also I want to go buy real estate. Why? Dude, you don't need two businesses. Like, your real estate one is probably going to tank. You're going to take your eye off of the thing that you've been using to make money the whole time. Go buy a real estate deal. It's going to be a small deal. You're going to have to manage it. You're going to have to manage a team. You're going to have to put people together because he wants to do like fix and flip stuff to try to fix and flip because he's watched people do it. He's going to get clobbered. I told him that. He's better off investing with me. Some people like to do it themselves. That's cool. But see, if you're a wealthy business owner, you're thinking like that. You're like, hey, I'm just going to build my revenue in my company. I'm going to focus on making an investment that kicks out passive income to me. And then I'm going to focus on building equity in my investments because that's happening without me, and equity in my company because that's happening with me. So I can take care of my business, take care of my family, my employees, and continue to grow and later exit one of these things, whether it's the investment in the real estate or it's an investment in your company, roll those up and sell those. So that's really how wealthy business owners play the game. Everyone that you look at all the major players out there, every one of them have that. They have a business that works, investment that works for them, and then they look at the equity, and that's how they look at their balance sheet. So if you do that, I promise you, you will get extremely wealthy to create wealth for you and your families. And then after that, you focus on what? Offsetting your taxes, tax strategy with your structure. So rather than wait until you have your tax bill and try to figure it out, you actually strategize throughout the course of the year per quarter, knowing how much money you make, knowing the investments you're going to make, knowing the tax advantages that you're going to take advantage of. So you're not hit with this tax bill at the end of the year because you're planning for it. That's what we like to help people do at Bell Capital because we have like high paid professionals. If you're a doctor, you're a dentist, you're a chiropractor, you know you make a lot of money. And rather than have your money sitting in a savings account or Fidelity, Vanguard, whatever, in old IRA or 401k, you roll it over to a real estate deal, and then you get the benefits of that investment, and that comes through to you, and it offsets some of your other stuff. That's the game. If you don't play this game, you're not going to win it. I promise you. You will be old and broke, and your family will be like, "What do we do?" Your kids don't want to take over your dental practice or your chiropractic thing, or they don't want to go push on backs and pull out teeth like you did. Nobody does. They just want the money. So if you're going to create wealth for you and your family through your business, through investment, that's how you do it. All right. So just wanted to come to you really fast today. I got some stuff to run out to, got some properties we're walking, but today was about wealth. Super short, super charged, super ready to go. But I'm here for you. If you need anything, go to bell-capital.com. I'm here to help you. You can fill out an application, not fill out an application. You can fill out a form there that basically says, hey, you can schedule a call, talk about investing, or you can actually go to the portal, register there. You got to register, and then you can see our open fund and how you can get involved with us. And then if you have questions about a specific personal situation, we're here for you. If you got money in a 401k, IRA, you want to talk about converting that over to be able to make an investment in real estate, we can help you do that. We got a strategic partner that's specifically for that reason, and we can help you do that pain free. All right. So I'm here for you. Have a great day today. Let's get after it. Boom.